How to create a Wix website on 2024. So if you decided you want to create a Wix website, here you have to simply go to your Wix dashboard by going to manage.wix.com and log into your Wix account. Now in my case, I've already created a certain website. If you want to create a new website, you can click the drop down menu next to your website and select the plus button that says create new site. Once you go to the create new site option, on the next page you can see Wix site creation. Now you can also bring your ideas to life with AI by telling about the anything, but for now I will just skip this because I don't really think that it is useful for me. Now I just have to select the type of website that I want. So let's say I want a blog website where I want to write blogs. I can just select the blogging website. If you want an e-commerce website, you can select that. If you want a portfolio website, because whatever you choose here, you'll be recommended the website templates accordingly. So make sure that you choose properly based on your niche. Once you've done that, it will prepare a dashboard. Now I can go ahead and then choose to install a theme. In that theme, I can modify with my own pictures, my own profile and information. And once I've also connected my custom domain, and maybe I have also entered my, let's say, my blog website name, I can click on continue. I can figure out all the goals for the site, and just like that I would have created my new site. Now obviously the rest of the process will take more than an hour if I have to explain to you in this short video, which is why I will simply give you a brief walkthrough. Here you can connect a custom domain, you can write your first blog post, you can design your website, which means you have to install some themes to give some kind of look for your website, or you can design it manually. You can also get found on Google by using search engine optimization. On the left hand side, you can optimize for the mobile application. You have the blog where you can write blog post, comments, tags, writers, categories, and everything. You will see your analytics, automations, and if you want to install any sort of plugins, you can go ahead and then do that as well. That's all it takes for you to set up a Wix website. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.